Welcome to my world. Hey everyone, it is get it all done. Let's get it cleaned up and your home ready for the day. Get your wash put in if you have any. Get your kitchen cleaned up. Last night dishes washed and drying or put into the dishwasher and started. Whatever you have available within your home. We're going to get swept, beds made, beds stripped if needed, and other things that we normally don't wash, washed. Get the bathroom cleaned up and just get it all done. Let's get cleaning. We're getting cleaned up today. Countertop, not too bad, just a few things that don't belong. Pile of dishes. I don't always do them before bed. Garbage just needs to be pushed down. Take care of the coffee. I'm going to do a full sweep in here. No mopping today. Got to do a full sweep in the dining area because we took care of the critter first thing. Her cage was soaked. Wiped the table down. Gonna shake out the rug and have it get washed. Clean up the TV room. Clean up the front bedroom. My husband's bringing the laundry down in a little while. Want garbage to go out. Clean up the middle bedroom here, my teens, and the bathroom. We never do my bedroom on camera because my husband works with sensitive information, and we don't record in there during the day unless he's not home and the computer's off. In the TV room today, go to the front bedroom, work our way through the dining area, middle bedroom, bathroom, finally the kitchen. Hey everyone, the rug will actually be washed the next day. I'll explain later. We're going to take care of the blanket. Hide it behind my TV. Do a full sweep in here. Very dusty. And then we're going to take care of the coffee table. I'll bring my bag of wipes with me. I'm going to just declutter this little basket and organize it a little better. Put my water on the end table on the side, which is an old plant stand that was given to me. Take care of the bed here. Get it made. Fix the pillows. Get that cord tucked behind the purple cabinet. And sweep. Change the camera angle. Wipe down any of the surfaces. And declutter if needed. Into the tweens room. Just tuck the cord in quickly and wipe it down. Fix the pillows up. And even though I did make the bed after I changed the trash, the bag was a little hard to get off. I think I tied the knot too tight. We're going to strip the bed regardless of what I just did right here and make it. I decided it was dirty and just needed washing. Then we're going to sweep in here. The entire room. Not a very big room though. And then change the camera angle over to the dressers. The declutter over there. Going to put the tablet in a little holder there. Wipe down the desktop. Move out of your way so you can see. And then take care of the dresser top. I'm going to quickly wipe down the purple cabinet and get it cleaned up for the day. Into the dining area. Get swept. Wipe down the dinner table. Laundry's ready to go downstairs. And we'll go into the middle bedroom and the bathroom. Into the dining area. Going to wipe the table down first. You should always wipe the surfaces first before you sweep, so you don't have to sweep more than once. I'm going to get under the table and the chairs. The gerbil was soaked through last night. Got the newspaper all wet, and we cleaned it up. I played with her for a little bit this morning. made sure she ate. She is an old gerbil, over 3. They live 3 to 5, so she is a senior. I don't know how much longer we'll have her. We cater to her. The bathroom first. I'm going to put some comment in the basin of the sink and wash it down completely. Then we'll turn our attention to the toilet and put some comment into the toilet bowl only. Spray it down with Dollar Tree's LA Totally Awesome with orange. And I do the tub off camera if you're new because it is rusty, or if you forgot. Put some comment down in the toilet and the basin of the sink and wipe down the sink. I always do the sink first, never the tub on camera because it's rusty and old and embarrassing. We wash our shower curtains every 3 months. Take care of the garbage can. So all the garbage goes downstairs today. Onto the toilet. I'm not sure what happened to the speed on the fast play, but we're scrubbing the bowl with the comment only. Then I'm going to spray it down with a Dollar Tree LA Totally Awesome with orange for the top of the seat, the back of the toilet, the little lip behind the seat part where you sit, and get it cleaned up. I'm going to use the scrub brush only in the bowl, and then I'm going to let it drip dry in the bowl by letting it rest under the seat part. Now I'm going to spray the toilet down, and it's a very hard angle, so you're not going to be able to see everything. I can't get a good camera angle, and I don't think I can hang it from the ceiling to do it either. It'd just be too hard with the tall ceilings here. Wiping it down, and then I'm going to wipe the handle down, and I got to replace the 1,000 flushes. I noticed that the water is no longer turning blue, and I'm going to use a toothbrush hack from an old toothbrush to clean the rim around the toilet in a separate video. Both of the cloths are going to go into the laundry basket. And I power down as I leave the room. Right at the teenager's bedroom, now 18. I'm going to get the bed made. My tween's bed, I decided to just yank it all off so it gets washed today, because it really did need it with all the crumbs that I couldn't get them all. So we're going to get this bed made and some floor swept and do a little decluttering. Let's get my 18-year-old's room cleaned up and the bed made. The bed's really great today. I just had to make the flap at the top of the bed and straighten out a few of the throws. With the air conditioner, it still gets really cold in here, and my kid likes to have the throws for comfort. And we'll change the camera angle so you can see what I do. I'm just doing a full sweep in here, another small room. Onto the dresser top, and just declutter it a little bit. I don't do a lot of decluttering while I'm cleaning. It just makes it too much and overwhelming. And take care of the garbage can. Do the kitchen. I'm going to let my husband finish up the shower. I'm going to get some clutter in the corners of the kitchen put back on the back porch for the next time we use it. Going into my junk room, I'm going to put some things in there. We store a lot of stuff back here. I clean it every 3 to 4 months. We keep the soda bottles back there too, right in the front, so we can easily access them. I'm going to take care of the dish drain first, wipe underneath it. I lost my wiping sponge but found it. Rinse the dish drain out. I'm going to take care of all these dishes. Fast play, something happened. It was like snail mode, so I speeded it up within the app today. In case you're curious, I use InShot. I pay a $10 annual fee to have all features to bring you the best videos I possibly can. And I'm going to wash the sink out once these dishes are done. We made smoothies over the weekend. Wash the walls of the sink and the basin, including the food catchers and the drain, to keep them clean. On to the other side of the kitchen here. Going to get it wiped down and cleaned up. Microwave. We made popcorn, so I want to make sure all the butter splats were gone. Now we're going to focus on the garbage can, wipe down. The rags will go into the laundry. Get the floor swept up, and we're ready for the day. Put the ice blocks in the sink. They got washed, and we're going to take care of the countertop, wash it down. Done. Countertop is all ready for the next meal. Sink clean. Those will dry and then get put away. dries will get tossed in the wash. This area is all done. Put away some of the clutter. The popcorn maker stays out because we use it quite a bit. Floor is swept. The pillow is going to get washed. My husband wants to wait and do the rug tomorrow, which is fine. Couch is done. And I decided, as I mentioned, to get the linens on the bed washed because a kid ate in there last night and got it messy. All ready to go downstairs. Middle bedroom done. And the bathroom is all ready for the day. I hope I was able to get you motivated. My husband replaced the bag in the garbage can to get cleaned up. I get to 1,400. We're going to issue out two $10 Dollar Tree gift cards. We're looking for 6 more people to give out one 5-item surprise pack from the Dollar Tree. Valued at $6.25. If you're new, comment often. Become part of our growing community. If you've been around a while, you know the drill. Everybody has to be a U.S. resident. Everybody has to be subscribed. If you've won in the past 60 days, you have to wait out 60 days in order to be qualified again. Also, if you don't answer me within 2 days, so make sure you check your notifications, people. You will be disqualified unless it's something really extreme. Give me an email at countryboots1268@yahoo.com. Always available within my description box down below. And if it doesn't work, just give me a shout out. Have a great day.